Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Manzoor Sheikh from GHS Vilgam. Today it's class 10 subject science, and today's topic is fragmentation. Fragmentation means breakup. When the body breaks into many pieces, that is called fragmentation. In fragmentation, in case of asexual reproduction, fragmentation is a part of asexual reproduction. What happens? An organism, that is a plant or an animal, breaks into many pieces, and every piece then develops into a complete new individual. Breaking up of the body of simple multicellular organism into two or more pieces on maturing, each of which grows to form a complete new organism, it is called fragmentation. One point here is to be clear that it is a simple multicellular organism. It is made up of many cells. It is not a single cellular organism. It is not a unicellular organism, as in case of fission we saw that a unicellular organism divides to make new organisms, but in fragmentation a simple multicellular organism breaks down into many pieces, and each piece grows to form a complete new organism. Fragmentation occurs naturally. It occurs naturally. It does not require external force, or it does not require external agents to get fragmented. It occurs naturally on maturation. That means when the organism matures, it breaks down into new fragments, and each fragment then grows into a complete organism. And it is also, as you know, that it is we are reading about asexual reproduction. It is an asexual mode of reproduction. So there are two most important examples of fragmentation, that is Spirogyra, and let me know you should know that Spirogyra is a plant. Spirogyra is a plant. It is a green fungi. It is a green leafy fungi. And sea anemone, this is another example, but sea anemone is an animal which reproduces by fragmentation. Spirogyra is found in streams, it is found in ponds, it is found in lakes and other water bodies. You see the picture of Spirogyra. This is Spirogyra. And this Spirogyra is a green, dark colored structure found in the ponds, lakes, rivers. If we want to get this Spirogyra, we can easily get it from these ponds, rivers, or lakes. This is a green dark plant which is found inside the lakes and rivers. Here the Spirogyra has got fragmented into three pieces, 1, 2 and 3. ये इसके 3 पीसेस बन गए हैं, और ईच पीस जो है वो एक नए Spirogyra में डेवलप हुए हैं. Now the question is, अगर हम इसको लेबोरेटरी में देखना चाहेंगे तो we can easily get this Spirogyra from ponds, lakes. It is a green dark colored fungus. Sorry, I told you that Spirogyra is a fungi, but it is an algae. Sorry, it is a green color, dark colored plant, that is an algae found inside is the ponds, lakes, springs, and we can get it easily. Then after getting it by the forceps, we have to use forceps, or we will first collect water from a pond or lake, in a beaker. Then we will take out this spirogyra with the help of forceps. Then we will put that on a slide, glass slide, a water drop. With this there will be spirogyra. On this spirogyra, what we have to do, we have to take out it from that beaker with the help of forceps. This is a forceps, but we have to keep in mind that there should be no water drop. This should be a complete algae. Then we have to put glycerin on this. After that, we have to put cover slip on this. When we will put cover slip on this, we can also add iodine or methylene blue to it in order to make it a permanent slide. And then we have to view it under microscope. This is how we can do the experiment with this. Just simply we have to collect the water from the pond. Why we will find that there are algae in abundance. Then we will take out this spirogyra with the help of forceps. Then we will put that on glass slide. And after that we will put glycerin over this, so that there will be a the air will come out. Then we have to put cover slip on it. If we will we can also add it iodine or methylene blue, so that we will see it in a different color. We can add colors, or we can directly see it through microscope. Putting glycerin on it, it will be a green structure of algae. This is all about fragmentation. Thank you. Have a nice day.